Here is my first Christmas setup in the house. It's not perfect, but it's pretty cute. I decided I would just start filming randomly, because when I'm like, when else am I gonna start filming? Like, I might as well just start filming, you know what I'm saying? It's Saturday morning. I made breakfast at like 8. I feel like I don't even have anything to say. I'm like, even talking right now, it's so hard for me to even like talk because I don't talk ever. Like, I'm literally just home with my kids. Like, I don't even have like social skills. You're home alone a lot, basically, with like not a lot of talking going on. So this is like mainly for me to like feel like I'm talking to someone, even though I have some mom friends and family and stuff. But yeah, so I have a 6-month-old, an almost 2-year-old. So I'm definitely 2 under 2. It has been, I'm speechless, to say the least. And I'm super into like home stuff right now. So I wanted to show you guys like my collection of what I have, and I'm like super obsessed with homemaking right now. Yeah, one baby is sleeping, and today has so far been the most relaxed day we've had so far, even though it's only 10. So we will see. And now that I said that, it'll probably be chaos. I just got these from Home Goods. I'm obsessed. They're like a mixed cotton, I don't even know, but I needed placemats because we're eating a lot more. I'm cooking like pretty much every single night. These are super cute, like little horsehair, cowhide or whatever, cup holder placemat things. Olive Atelier chair, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. Yeah, she's pretty penny, but this is like daily drills. I'm like pretty much only playing old version kid videos for my son, because eventually I will graduate to like a VCR machine for his room. So we have like the OG VHS tapes. He can like put in himself. Yeah, I'm trying to do it a different way, so it's more like nostalgic and cute and fun. Yeah, so. Bobska, no. Yes. I set this little tent up last night. And then this is like a cute Pottery Barn quilt. We had like a bunch of stuffies up there, but he demands some of them, so we just kind of let him sleep with a few. So I'm probably gonna end my vlog here just because I wanted to try out like a small video first and like see if I could even like edit, because I haven't done it in so long. So yeah, I'm gonna edit this and post it because I might as well just post, and I'm gonna try and post like once a week just to keep me accountable and like kind of have like a fun little side thing. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna continue to get into more depth about stuff, and maybe even share like my postpartum and like my pregnancies, and yeah, just like day-to-day life and stuff like that, because I love watching other moms and I think it's like interesting. So yeah, thanks guys, and I will post this soon, and I'll probably just post one once a week. So